Well,
This just doesn't appear to stop wanting to be interesting.
oh, holy crap. Heh.
Alright, well, excuse me, Dingo. Excuse me, Simba. Sandals. Slippers, too, even better. How about that? Simba, I don't think you want to come out here, babe.
I think it's time to sing some Pink Floyd. Yeah, why not? So yeah, thought ya might like to go to the show.
To feel the warm thrill of confusion at Space Cadet Glow.
Tell me, is something eluding you, sunshine? Is this not what you expected to see? If you wanna find out what's behind these cold eyes, you just have to claw your way through this disguise. Lights. Roll the sound effects. And action. Oh, as if there wasn't plenty enough already. I don't believe you. Could you repeat that? Oof. It is just cold and windy out here. And just in case anybody's wondering, this is how the energy of tornadoes is dissipated. See? Like this. Same energy, different way it's released. And you can tell the way it's going by the different colors. And you can tell I'm intervening when this happens. Opposed to the distant lightning, close lightning. As opposed to the distant thunder, close thunder. All right, dearie, let's get this done. On 3. 1, 2, 3. And now for the finale. No, that's not the finale. I don't think you're understanding what I mean by the word finale. It's supposed to be impressive. You know, like this. Now, this is all a bit chaotic for me. I guess less in terms of finality and more in terms of nipping this bullshit in the bud so I can go back inside. Because it's cold out here and I'm tired of this bullshit. So, you, fuck off.